Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is the very first video that you're watching, then hi, this is Jamie Gandhi. I'm an image consultant, a style curator and a sustainable style advocate. On this channel, we talk about real relatable wearable styling ideas, something that you can utilize for your day-to-day life. अब आज ना मैं घर पे बैठ के ये शूट नहीं कर रही हूँ. I'm just right outside my house because the weather was so nice. और मैं बोर हो गई थी घर पे वही सेम की सेम जगह पर बैठकर शूटिंग एंड टॉकिंग टू यू गाइज एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. ओके, सो आई थॉट लेट्स एक्सप्लोर एंड आई होप इट्स अ गुड आइडिया. यू गाइज कैन हियर एवरीथिंग क्लियरली, वरना मुझे ये रीशूट करना पड़ेगा. So today's video is Indian kurta for work. Now I've done a sari to work earlier and that has been my highest viewed video, and I realized that a lot of people are confused as to how can you replicate your Indian wear to work. Now generally western wear now, because it's a set standard, people say oh black, white and grey pehen lo, it is formal, and these kind of shoes and this bag. But when it comes to Indian wear, because we've been wearing our Indian ethnic wear for the longest time for festivities and for the traditional things, that's why we cannot replicate the same to same elements and put it for your formal wear. So with this series of Indian wear to work, I'm hoping that I can break those myths and create like a whole conducive wardrobe for you that you can wear to work. Starting with this yellow kurta, let's dive in and see how I have styled this kurta to work. I've done the both client facing role and I've done a back office role. So I've styled this kurta two ways with minimal change of accessories, or actually just shoes and hair, to show you how you can make the same kurta very approachable when you go out for client meetings, and this kurta when you're just back office or you're at work but you still want to look a little bit more formal. Before I move on to the kurta for work, I just want to share basic skincare or makeup or whatever you want to call it. I'm applying a facial oil. You can apply a moisturizer, but you need your skin to be supple. A dry flaky skin, dry flaky lips are not formal in the sense that they don't create a good impression. So I'm applying a facial oil, then I'm used to kajal, so I'm applying kajal, and then I'm going to apply BB pink or rose pink lips. This is just this basics makes sure that your skin looks nice. Now when it comes to jewelry, I don't want too much attention grabbing. I want it to be simple, so I'm picking this simple gold infinity hoops and taking a statement ring. I don't like to wear a lot of bangles because that affect when I'm typing. So simple ring, I have a watch. That's about it. Here, open and close, I have both the options in the video. Let's dive in. The kurta is very basic, simple, single color, devoid of any design detail. If you look at the sleeves, the 3/4 sleeves in a kurta or full sleeves always work best. My favorite is 3/4. 3/4 sleeves makes sure that the kurta is modest enough for work, and it also creates a sharp impression. When it comes to neckline for kurtas, I like this Nehru collar, or I like the Mandarin collar as it's popularly known. If you don't like this closed collar style, you could also opt for a small V neckline. Make sure that these closed necks are in a way that it doesn't take or grab attention towards your upper body. Keeping the kurta plain and simple makes sure that the attention is on you and not on the clothes. Now my current kurta, if you see, there is a little bit of white trimming around the front panel, and I have decided to pair this with white pajamas. When it comes to bottoms, avoid sharara pants and loose flared palazzos. They don't add that extra length or structure to your outfit. I have taken this simple white pajama pants. Taking my Kolhapuri chappals and a structured formal bag to add that extra level of elegance. Here I am, the whole complete look. In this case, I've kept my hair open, and the structured bag makes sure that the whole looks formal. This is not a client facing look. I won't wear this for client facing. This is a regular everyday office look. Now in the next look, I have tied up my hair and I've changed my Kolhapuri chappal to sandals, keeping the same bag, accessories, makeup, everything. Tied up hair adds an extra level of formality to it and frames your face. However, when you're tying your hair, please make sure that there are no flyaways or baby hair hanging around. This is the whole look, which can be client facing if it's not a first time client. It is still not very formal because of the pants, but otherwise it's a great look when you have to meet a client as well. This is the whole look. By just changing shoes and tying up of hair, you're able to wear the same piece to casual day at work to maybe a small client facing role. Do let me know which is your favorite. So that was it. That's how I styled this kurta 2 ways. I'm sure you got your ideas. Understanding the elements of design, meaning the neckline, the length sleeves, and the style of kurta is absolutely important, because that is going to help you define whether that kurta is for work or that kurta is casual or that kurta is festive. कुछ और अगर आइडियाज़ चाहिए तो प्लीज़ फील फ्री टू राइट, एंड आई हैव लाइक couple of content planned for Indian wear to work, but if you have something specific that you want to know, just feel free to ask your questions. That also gives me ideas on creating videos that you guys want. If you have liked what you've seen so far, please give this video a big fat thumbs up, and do let me know if there was a lot of disturbance and can I shoot my videos in this beautiful place where there's nice wind and not boring backdrops and everything. Anyways, till I see you next time. Bye bye.